Topic is representation of linked list in memory. Let list be a linked list. It can be represented in memory by using two linear arrays respectively known as info and link, such that info of k and link of k contains the information of the element and the address of the next node in the list. List also require a variable name such as start, which contains the location of the beginning of the list, and pointer field of last node denoted by null, which indicates the end of the list. The linked list can be represented in memory as shown in figure. In the figure shows linked list, it indicates that the node of a list need not occupy adjacent elements in the array info and link. Consider one example. The following list of element is assigned to a linear array info O T blank X N capital I and E. A linked list in memory where each node of the list contains a single character. The values of start and link are obtained as follows. So first start equal to 9, information of 9 equal to n is the first character. Next link of 9 equal to 3, so information of 3 equal to O is the second character. Link of 3 equal to 6, so information of 6 equal to blank is the third character. Link 6 equal to 11, so information of 11 equal to E is the fourth character. Link 11 equal to 7, so information of 7 equal to X is the fifth character. Link 7 equal to 10, so information of 10 equal to I is the sixth character. Link 10 equal to 4, information of 4 equal to T is the seventh character. Link 4 equal to 0, the null value, so the list has ended. So this figure shows a memory representation of linked list. In words, no exit is the character string. Now, what are the operations of linked list? Linked list can perform following operation. Number one, insertion, inserting a new data into a list in desired position. Second operation, deletion, that is remove the element, deleting an item from the linked list. Third operation, reversing, reversing an item from the list. Fourth operation, searching, find the element in the list. Fifth operation, traversing, visiting each node in the list at least once. Sixth operation, merging, combining two lists to make one list. And seventh operation, sorting, arranging the data elements in ascending or in descending order.